Keep your eyes closed. Become aware of the whole body from the toes to the top of the head. The practice of Yoga Nidra is the act of hearing and the act of feeling. The practice of Yoga Nidra is the act of hearing and the act of feeling. Surrender the whole body to the floor. Check each and every part of the body. Loosen all the joint. Loosen all the tight parts. Relax the muscles. Allow the body to flop on the floor. Surrender the whole body to the floor and feel the relaxation getting deeper, deeper and deeper. Do not sleep as the relaxation becomes deep. Remain awake and alert throughout the practice of Yoga Nidra. Take a deep breath in slowly and gently, and as you breathe out, feel the calmness spreading throughout the body. Now we begin the practice of Yoga Nidra. Become aware of the sounds in the distance. Become aware of the most distant sounds that you can hear. Let your sense of hearing operate like a radar beam, searching out distant sounds and following them for a few seconds. Move your attention from sound to sound without attempting to identify the source. Be aware of each and every sound that you can hear, which is within the hearing range. Become aware of the sound of cars, sound of people, sound of speech, sound of nature, sound inside the body. Now, develop your awareness of the room. Visualize the four walls of the room, the ceiling, the floor, the body lying on the floor. Total awareness of the body lying in perfect stillness. Develop awareness of all the physical meeting points between the body and the floor. Do not sleep. Do not allow your awareness to waver from my instructions. Now, observe the natural incoming and outgoing breath. Observe the expansion of the abdominal muscles at the time of inhalation and the relaxation of the abdominal muscles at the time of exhalation. Become aware of the breath, which is deep, natural, and spontaneous. Do not try to alter the rhythm and the flow of the natural breath. Do not try to concentrate on the process of breathing. Just be an observer of the incoming and the outgoing breath. Now you have to make a sankalp, a positive sankalp, a positive resolve, a simple positive wish. which you make in life. Visualize the Kaya Kalpa Vriksha in front of your closed eyes. Surrender to the Vriksha, the tree, and repeat your Sankalp clearly with feelings and awareness. The Sankalp should be simple, clear, concise, reflecting your cherished wish which you want to attain in your life. Anything in life can fail, but not the Sankalp made during the practice of Yoga Nidra. Now we are going to rotate the awareness through different parts of the body. Rotate the consciousness through the different centers of the body as quickly as possible. The awareness has to move, the awareness has to jump from point to point, from one part of the body to the next according to the instructions. Do not move the body parts. Right hand thumb, right hand first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, four fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, right wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, right shoulder, right armpit, side waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, shin, ankle, heel, sole, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, 5 toes together, the whole right side, the whole right side, the whole right side. Bringing your awareness to the left side of the body, left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, 4 fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, left wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, left armpit, side waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, shin, ankle, heel, sole, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, 5 toes together. The whole left side, the whole left side, the whole left side. Bring your awareness to the front, the forehead, the forehead, the forehead. Right temple, left temple. Right ear, left ear. Right eyebrow, left eyebrow. The eyebrows center. Right eye, left eye. Bridge of the nose. Right nostril, left nostril. Tip of the nose. Right cheek, left cheek. Upper lip, lower lip, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, depression of the chest, navel, abdomen, the whole front, the whole front, the whole front. Complete awareness of the whole body. Relax the whole body completely. Relax the whole body completely. Externalize the consciousness, awareness of the immediate environment. Become aware of the sounds which you can hear. The sound of the temple, the sounds of the other classroom, the sound of the vehicle, sound of the birds, sound of the environment. Once again, repeat the sankalp. Remind the sankalp. Take the commitment to complete your sankalp. Now slowly move the toes, the feet, the fingers, the hands, the arms, the head, the whole body without losing the peace of the body. Slowly turning to the sideways, keeping your eyes closed. Three rounds of Om chant. Sit upright, sit tall. Slow down the movement. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Palms on your eyes.